Hello everyone, my name is Yogi Setiawan, student of TBI from Class B. And today I'm going to present an academic study as if I were one of the researchers. The title of this research is Exploring EFL Secondary Students AI generated text editing while composition writing, written by David Wu, Yang Yu, and Kai Guo in 2025. Start with background. Nowadays, AI tools like ChatGPT or Grammarly are becoming popular in education, especially in English as a foreign language or EFL classrooms. Students start using AI for their writing task. Some teachers are worried that students will rely too much on AI and become lazy. But this study shows something different. It focuses on how students actually interact with AI, not just what AI produce. The researchers want to understand if there is do students just copy the AI's text or do they edit, think critically, and make changes to the AI suggestion. So the purpose of this research is to explore the editing behavior of EFL students when they use AI in writing. Next to method. This study involved 29 secondary school students in Hong Kong. Each student was asked to write a composition using AI tools such as ChatGPT or Google Docs. Google Docs AI suggestions. But the interesting part is the researchers recorded the students' screens during the writing process. This method allow the researchers to see exactly how students interacted with the AI generated text. They didn't just analyze the final writing result, they analyzed the process. The team then used qualitative content analysis and thematic coding to find patterns. They look closely at every change made by the student, such as word replacement, sentence restructuring, or deleting parts of the AI text. Start to findings. This is the most interesting part. The researchers found 15 types of edits that students made. This include lexical substitution, like replacing a word with another word, structural changes, like changing sentence form, content deletion or addition, and for this grammar corrections. And the last one is adjusting the tone to make it more appropriate. In other words, students were not just copying AI. They were actively thinking, they revise and personalize the AI text. But that's not all. They also identified for different editing behavior or patterns. First, students planned their ideas, then wrote their draft from top to bottom. The student just started writing using AI and made decisions along the way. Third is planning first. They plan it, then work it on smaller section and edit it carefully. For this, the students jumped directly into the writing and edited as they went without clear planning. So different students had different strategies, which mean that AI didn't replace thinking. Thinking it, thinking it actually become part of the thinking process. Next to implications. So, what can teachers learn from this? This research has several important implications for English teaching. First, we must realize that students are not passive. They are using AI as a tool, but they still apply their knowledge and judgment. Second is, instead of banning AI tools, we should teach students how to edit AI generated text. That means teaching them how to first compare AI suggestions with their own ideas. Two is recognize wrong or awkward AI outputs. Third is improve grammar and coherence manually. Fourth is reflect on how AI supports or limit their expression. In other words, teachers should focus more on editing skills and critical thinking rather than just grammar drills or memorizing structures. This is especially useful for EFL students because many of them struggle with confidence. AI can give them a starting point, and then the teacher can guide them to improve the result. Let's see conclusions. This study shows that AI doesn't make students lazy. It actually invites them to be more thoughtful by observing contents, editing behavior. We can see that they are engaging in active learning. They revise, adapt, and make learning meaningful decisions. So the role of the teachers must also involve, instead of just focusing on writing from zero. We should help students become skilled editors of AI content. We don't have to fear AI, we just have to use it wisely. As a future English teachers, I believe that integrating AI and human skills together will be the key to be better writing and better education. Pusing. That's the end of my academic presentation. Once again, the article is titled Exploring EFL Secondary Students AI Generated Text Editing while Composition Writing. And I hope this gives you a new insight into how English learning is changing with AI. Thank you.